Today in this video we will learn about how to erase thousands of unfiltered spam comments in seconds. If you are flooded with a lot of spam comments in your WordPress website and you want to delete all of them altogether, then deleting spam comments manually could be time consuming. Then in that case, first of all, you need to go to File Manager section and then go inside public_HTML. Here we need to know the name of the database. So under your WordPress installation directory, view your wp-config.php file. This file contains the name of your database. In this way, you can know the name of the database from here. Now go to that respective database by going to phpMyAdmin section under cPanel. Now here under the associated database, click over SQL. Now enter the following query and run it by clicking over Go and confirming it by OK. In this way, all your spam comments in your WordPress website will be deleted instantly.